So we're going to make this beef curry today. It really is delicious. Takes a little time to cook because we want to get it really nice and tender. But yeah, super tasty. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So looking at our whole spices or whole garam masala, we've got 2 red dried chili, 2 teaspoons of black peppercorns, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 5 or 6 green cardamom, and a nice piece there of cinnamon. And for the powders, we have 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons chili powder, 2 teaspoons cumin, 2 teaspoons coriander powder. We have 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. And if you can get them, they're absolutely wonderful. Fresh curry leaves, about ½ a cup of those, really beautiful. Here I have 1 kg or about 2 pound, 2.2 pound in fact, of beef. No bone in it, cut it into fairly small pieces. There's a little bit of fat. That is beautiful. And finally, we have 2 cups of onion and 2 cups of fresh tomato. So I'm using coconut oil, but you could use a different oil if you want. I've got about 4 or 5 tablespoons in there. There's quite a lot. You can reduce that down if you want. We're going to start by dropping in all of our whole garam masala. So that's the cardamom, the chili, the cumin, the peppercorns, the cinnamon. If you want, you could add some cloves to this maybe. Also the fresh curry leaves. And then we're going to add in our beef. So we're on a medium heat, not too high, and we're going to go for 6 or 7 minutes. Okay, so next up, we're now going to add in our 2 cups of onion and our 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, which is a 50-50 mix of the 2. You know, if you're a regular to the channel, that I use this a lot. You can buy it in stores, in Asian stores, or like us, you can make it yourself because we use so much of it. We're going to continue. You can see that I'm not on a really high heat. We don't want to just get this beef cooked on the outside. We want it really nice and tender. So like a nice medium heat all the way here. We're going to go now for another 5 or 6 minutes. I'll be stirring every now and then. Fabulous. I'm going to add some salt now to taste. I'm going to add our spices. Let's just take one more look. So we've got 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and then 2 each of coriander, cumin, and chili powder. A quick little mix. Then we're going to be adding our 2 cups of tomato. In they go. And again, medium heat. We're now going to go for 7 or 8 minutes. We really want those tomatoes to reduce down and probably give off a little bit of moisture, but we'll see. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, this is looking magnificent. You can see the tomatoes are breaking down really nicely, give off a little bit of moisture. We're now going to add some water, about 200 ml. We're going to put this on a simmer now, really low. We're going to let it go for 30 minutes or so. Really want to get that meat nice and tender. Give it a stir every now and then. So that is simmering away beautifully. It's been going like, half an hour, 35 minutes or so. Now, depending on the type of beef that you've used, you might want to go again. You might want to add some more water and do the process again. For me, I'm good. Now, I didn't add chili earlier. I'm going to do it now, and I'm going to add my chilies in whole. I just got the tops off. I'm using 5 of these ones. Cilantro, coriander. One last little mix, check it for salt, and you've got yourself there a really nice beef curry. And there we have it, job done. That is beautiful with rice or with some roti or paratha type thing. Delicious stuff. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.